Hello everybody, so I'm here to quickly share my experience of using Vritti Life skincare. I've been using this for the past 5 days and I can feel the change already on my skin. So when I came from Delhi, I had few breakouts because of the heat, and that's when Vritti Life came. I started using it. So I've already used the cleanser. This is my morning routine and I also do it at the night. So the cleanser has neem, turmeric and camphor leaf oil, and the fragrance is just amazing. So I've already used the cleanser. Then step 2 is using the toner. So you just have to spray it all over your face. It has cucumber, aloe, and it just smells so amazing, and it's very light on my skin. I have combination skin, so it's very light on my skin, which is something I love. You just have to like tap it like this. After that, you have to use the facial serum. Okay, so this serum is specially amazing if you have like wrinkles or आपको pigmentation है या dark spots है. Also, it works amazing for anti-aging, and I have been using this and I love the smells. It's just like few drops here and here. That's all. And then you have to mix it, and the smell is just amazing. Superb smell. And it's very light. So even if it's a serum, it's not very heavy based. So it's amazing. And just few drops are enough for you. And it gives you a nice glow. I had a lot of pigmentation here. I can see that it's becoming lighter. Of course, it's just 5 days I've been using it, but I can already see the change. And then after this, what you have to do is you have to use the moisturizer, and the moisturizer just smells amazing. So this is the moisturizer, and it has almond, it has aloe vera, and it also has kanaka oil. So just one pump of this is enough. इसे हाथ पे लेके डॉट 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 मैं जनरली करती हूँ. अगर रब करेंगे तो पूरा कैसा है, हाथ पे ही लगता है. So that's why. See, I'm not a skin influencer or something, but I really have been loving these products. I'm very skeptical जब भी कोई भी skin products मैं use करती हूँ, but of course because I've been using Herbalife for the past 8 years now, I know कि Herbalife की सारे products amazing ही रहने वाले हैं. So I started using it, and I am also doing this video after 5 days because I wanted to give like a honest review, and it smells really amazing. Wow, can you see? Superb. So I do this after I bath, and then after that I also do it at the night, and my skin feels really fresh. It has been best especially because अभी भी मैं मेकअप अप्लाई करती हूँ. उसके बाद जो लेफ्ट ओवर मेकअप होता है, कभी कभी अगर आप डबल क्लेंजिंग नहीं कर पाते हैं, या समटाइम्स द मेकअप इज़ सो हैवी दैट थोड़ा सा मुझे एलर्जी जैसा होता है, बिकॉज माई स्किन इज़ रियली सेंसिटिव. ओके, एंड एनी प्रोडक्ट्स आई यूज़ फटाक से एक दिन में मुझे समझता है वेदर इट इज़ गोइंग टू सूट माई स्किन और नॉट. But these products have worked magic, and of course because it's Ayurvedic and suitable for all skin types, no matter आपका oily skin है, dry skin है, you can use these products. They are amazing. I would highly recommend it. So if you want to try these out, you can DM me to place your order of these amazing skin products. Try it.